How to block any website on your PC. First, open your browser and visit the website you want to block. Once you've noted the website name, minimize the browser window. Now, search for Notepad on your computer. Then, click after Notepad opens. Click on File, and then choose Open. Next, go to the C drive. Open the Windows folder. Scroll down and open System32. Then open Drivers, and after that, open the etc folder. At the bottom right of the window, click on Text Documents, then select All Files from the drop-down menu. You will now see a few files. Open the hosts file. When the file opens in Notepad, scroll to the bottom and add a new line. Type 127001 followed by the website name you want to block. This will redirect the website to your local computer. You can block multiple websites using this method, but make sure to add only one website per line. After that, save the file and close Notepad. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Once your PC restarts, the blocked websites will no longer open. To unblock a website, simply open the hosts file again, remove the website address, save the file, and you're done. That's how you can block any website on your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.